And sometimes it really is a madhouse. You have a lot of traveling to do, and some hatcheries will produce, I don't know, 100,000, 200,000 in one hatch day. And out of 100,000, you would assume there would be 50,000 female, 50,000 males, generally speaking. And you have this one hatchery that has 100,000 chick capacity, and so you call in other chick sexers around the area, and you get a system going where maybe two to five chick sexers or 2 to 4 chick sexers would do 100,000 chicks. And then you go to another hatchery and meet there and do another 250,000 chicks. And you go to another hatchery. This is all in one day's time. And have another hatchery that wants broilers sexed. And they would have, several 100,000 themselves. So it wasn't a matter of just a few thousand per day. It was in the hundreds of thousands of chicks that we had to process.